If you're serious about climbing the ranks in big tech, you need to think beyond your current role and even beyond your next promotion. The future is moving fast, and AI, automation, and other emerging technologies are reshaping the industry. So in this final lesson, we'll talk about how to stay ahead of the curve and future-proof your career in big tech. If you're serious about climbing the ranks in big tech, you need to think beyond your current role and even beyond your next promotion. The future is fast, and AI is changing it at a high speed. Here's the reality nobody talks about. Your skills have an expiry date. What got you hired today might be obsolete in the next 2 years. We're going to now talk about how to stay ahead through adaptability and continuous learning. You see, the tech reality is adapt or get left behind. GitHub Copilot users write code 55% faster now. Engineers who've mastered AI tools aren't just more productive. They're getting promoted faster because they can handle more complex projects. So if you're not leveraging these, technologies right now, you're actively falling behind while your colleagues accelerate past you. Here's my advice. Start learning AI today, not tomorrow. Forget the theories. Integrating AI tools into your workflow makes it more effective. So do that immediately. Use GitHub Copilot for coding, ChatGPT for debugging, Claude for documentation, and then identify one real problem AI could solve in your current work. Maybe automating tests or improving code reviews. Use that concrete problem to drive your learning. Learn tools that enable you to make that valuable contribution to your team and to your company, and you will be recognized for it. Then develop your technology radar. Feature leader supports important development 6 to 12 months before mainstream adoption. So create your system, follow AI labs like OpenAI, Anthropic, read key research, attend conferences. When you see new capabilities, ask questions like, what entirely new categories of applications will become possible because of these new capabilities? Also, master the meta skills that matter. Build capabilities that become more valuable during change. Problem solving, strategic thinking, communication. These skills complement AI rather than compete with it. Develop a T-shaped expertise, or better still, an M-shaped expertise, where you have deep in multiple core domains and broad across other disciplines. A back-end engineer should understand front-end, data science, and product management. So don't say, that is not my field, so I don't want to learn anything about it. Also, create your learning system. Make learning systematic, not reactive. Build your infrastructure, reading lists, note-taking systems, project portfolios. Regularly experiment with new technologies. Not every experiment succeeds, but experimentation keeps your skills fresh and helps you spot opportunities before they become obvious to everyone else. Have the mindset, I've never done that before, so I'm probably the best at it. Have a positive mindset about learning and about building your profile. In closing, stay ahead of emerging trends like AI during continuous learning and adaptability, because positioning yourself to remain in high demand will always be valuable for you and will make you ready for your next big opportunity. With this, you now have a comprehensive blueprint for thriving in big tech from day one all the way to leadership. But knowledge without action is worthless. Before you move forward, draft your 90-day success plan for your next role. Focus on 3 concrete goals covering performance, relationship building, and visibility. This will give you a clear roadmap for your first few months and ensure your long-term success. The big tech world is waiting, and now you have everything you need, not just to survive in it, but to absolutely thrive.